Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the Aveeno Repairing Cica Foot Mask. Hi everyone, it's me, Dr. Nooreen, your resident foot and ankle specialist, and welcome back to my channel. Okay, you guys, so I was recently at the store and I saw this Aveeno Repairing Cica Foot Mask, and I've been seeing these foot masks in a lot of places, but if you guys have watched my cold bun review video, you know that I try to avoid products with fragrance, and a lot of the masks that I was looking at, they had fragrance in it, so I wasn't trying to use them. So when I saw this Aveeno Repairing Cica Foot Mask, I was looking at it, and this time I did check, yes, there is no fragrance in here. So this product is paraben-free, fragrance-free, formulated to be gentle enough for sensitive skin, which is definitely me. I got this for $2.96 at Walmart, and I just thought that I would test it out and see if I like it. And the packaging says that it's enriched with prebiotic oat and shea butter, helps repair extra dry problem skin. So we're gonna try this out, you guys, and I will let you know what I think of it. But first, what I always do when I'm looking at products I'm gonna buy is look at the ingredients first, and if I see fragrance, I put it back right away. That's just me, so there is no fragrance in here, so that's good. One of the first ingredients is glycerin, and glycerin is a humectant, which basically means it pulls water into the outer layers of the skin. Then we have Disteryldimonium Chloride, which moisturizes and smooths. Then we have Petrolatum, which basically prevents skin moisture from evaporating. And then we have Isopropyl Palimate, which is another emollient, so another moisturizer. Then we have Cetyl Alcohol, which basically helps to bind liquids and oils together. And then we have Dimethicone, which is another moisturizer. Then we have Avena Sativa Oat Kernal Flour. We have Avena Sativa Oat Kernal Oil. And oats really help to decrease inflammation and irritation to the skin. And then they also have Avena Sativa Oat Kernal Extract, which is a skin cleanser. It helps to smooth out the tone and texture of your skin. And then we have benzyl alcohol. It's a preservative that kills microbes. Then we have Steareth 20, which is a cleansing oil, a surfactant, and an emulsifier. And then we have shea butter, which increases the thickness of the moisturizers that are present, and it retains moisture. So basically, there's a whole bunch of different moisturizers in here and no fragrance. So I'm super excited to try this. So I'm going to give you guys my honest opinion. Let's get to it. This is what my feet look like before I'm doing the mask. They are a little bit dry. Some spots here. And just a few spots where they are a little bit dry. I'm going to open this up, and you're supposed to leave it on for 10 minutes, so I am going to use it just for the 10 minutes, just because that's what the packaging says, and I'll see how I feel with just leaving it on for 10 minutes. This is interesting. Oh. So it comes in like this big old thing. Looks like a butterfly or something almost. Okay, we rip it in half, and then so your feet go in here, and I think there's like a sticky thing here that you can then wrap it around, so you can like kind of enclose your feet in these. So I'm gonna go ahead and sit down and put these on. It feels slimy. And then I'm just gonna use that sticky tab and kind of close this in. Okay, you guys. On. Okay, guys, so these are on. They feel okay. It just feels like my feet are in a bag, and my feet feel a little bit sticky, a little bit slimy. Like there's definitely stuff in there, but I'm gonna leave these on for 10 minutes, and I'll let you guys know what I think. Okay, guys, so the masks have been on my feet for 10 minutes, so now I'm gonna go ahead and take them off. So there's definitely like a kind of like a slimy residue on my feet. Is that weird if I do this? I don't know if you guys can see the sliminess. But I'm just gonna rub that into my feet. I mean, my feet definitely feel more moisturized. They do look softer. They feel a little bit softer. Doing the same thing on the other foot, just kind of rubbing in what was sitting on top of my skin into my skin. Here's this foot. Oh, I forgot to turn. Okay, you guys, so here's a close-up of my feet after having the foot mask on. Definitely more hydrated. So you guys, I have to say, overall, I do really like this foot mask. It leaves your feet feeling hydrated and smooth. It's definitely a good option. I would even say you could even leave it on longer for the 10 minutes that the bag says. I probably will buy more of these, and when I use it again, I will leave it on for more than 10 minutes. I might try them overnight as well. One of the key things to keep in mind when you are looking at, you know, hydrating the skin on your feet, one thing to keep in mind is the skin on the soles of your feet is thicker than the skin on the rest of your body. So it takes a little bit more to hydrate that skin and to have it smooth and soft and to get rid of those dry, cracked heels. So one of the key things to do is you have to do these consistently. If you're someone that's going to be trying these masks but you have drier skin, it's definitely going to take more than one time of using this mask for you to see a difference. And I would use these masks in combination with other creams. Aveeno has one for dry, cracked heels. You know, you can use Vaseline, Eucerin, whatnot, and in conjunction you can use these booties as well to help moisturize your feet. And then once you get your feet to the point where you want them to be in terms of their moisture and the way that they look and feel, that is when you don't have to do things every single day. You can scale back to doing things 2 to 3 times a week. So overall, you guys, I do like this foot mask. I would recommend it. I will use it again, and I hope you guys like this video. If there's other products you want me to review, let me know in the comments down below, and don't forget to stretch and subscribe, like this video, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.